Rare, revered and restored. The Aston Martin V8 Vantage burst onto the motoring landscape in 1977 and was immediately described by the establishment motoring press as Britain's fastest car. A development of the contemporary V8 coupe, the Vantage resulted from engineering and wind tunnel development works conducted by Aston Martin to assist the 1977 Le Mans 24-hour race entry of Robin Hamilton, achieving a credible finish in that year's race. Often referred to as the Bolt On Vantage, of which just 16 were produced, the title refers to the unique wind tunnel developed body additions. Reducing lift and increasing stability, the V8 Vantage boasted of almost 400 horsepower and was capable of 170 miles an hour with a 0 to 60 time of just 5.2 seconds. Remaining a formidable machine, the Vantage is often referred to as the original brute in a suit. Supplied when new to its first owner by a 25-year-old Aston Martin salesman Nicholas Mee from the famed Sloane Street showrooms in London. For decades, and a superb restoration later, we're delighted to be reunited with this exceptional car, benefiting from a highly detailed and complete history file of some 4 volumes dating back as far as 1978. This rare and exceptionally well-restored example retains its original matching numbers engine and components. Driven in period by Derek Bell and Roy Salvadori, this car was road-tested by Autocar magazine and has been last owned for some 25 years. The car's history file is exceptional in detailing the sheer passion and attention to detail employed by the last owner in maintaining, enjoying and restoring one of Britain's finest supercars. On show in our Hertfordshire showrooms now, the car is supplied, serviced, fully prepared and inclusive of warranty.